Hello, welcome to Shopaccino product tutorial videos. In this video, we will be learning to upload products manually on your Shopaccino store. To the admin panel, click on product section, click add product. Under general tab, enter product details, product name, SKU, barcode if applicable, write a short summary of the product, write a brief summary of the product, select product service type, select size chart if applicable, select brand name if applicable, write a detailed description of the product, select country of origin, enter HSC code if applicable, select primary category of the product, select secondary category if applicable, enter label name, enter shipping weight. If you offer free shipping, tick check free shipping box, enter estimated handling time in days. If you accept return for the product, tick check accept return, enter the days allowed to return the product, and click save. Go to statutory content, enter generic name, enter manufacturer details, enter packer details, and click save. Go to attributes tab, select the key attribute, and click on add. Go to images and videos tab, click on multiple upload, select the images that you want to upload. Once the images are uploaded, click on save. Go to the variants tab, click on create variant option for this product. Tick check the variant selection box, select variant name, select variant values that you want to add. Then click on generate variants based on the options defined above. If there are different SKUs for the variants, enter the SKUs, barcode, and weight, and then click save. Scroll down, enter the color of name, color code, and update. Now go to inventory and pricing tab, click on manage inventory. If the product is taxable, tick check taxable product, enter tax percentage, enter the MRP. If you offer a discount, enter the discount. MRP less the discount value would be the selling price of the product. Enter the minimum order quantity. Enter the current stock available. Likewise, you can do it for the variants available. Once you fill in all these details, click on save. Now go to SEO and Google tab. Here you can enter meta title, meta keywords, meta description. You can select the Google product category from here. Enter the required details like Google title, Google description, and other details, and click on save. Go to tags and filters tab. Select search tag, then click on add. Select search filter and click on add. Go to add-ons, enter value, enter price, Click on Add. Now your product is ready to view on store.